Ever thought about hiking but didn't know where to start? Well, it's time to lace up those boots and get ready for an adventure. Hiking can be an exhilarating experience, allowing you to explore nature, challenge your physical limits, and find a sense of peace away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The first step in preparing for a hike is all about planning. Do some research. Find a trail that matches your fitness level. There are numerous websites and apps available that provide details on the difficulty, distance, and elevation of various trails. Remember, it's not a competition. The journey matters more than the destination. Next, check the weather forecast. Weather can change rapidly, especially in mountainous areas. It's crucial to know what to expect to pack appropriately and avoid any unwelcome surprises. Now, let's talk about gear. A good pair of hiking boots is a must-have. They provide the necessary ankle support and grip for uneven terrains. Choose a pair that's comfortable, durable, and waterproof. A backpack is another essential piece of equipment. It should be lightweight but big enough to carry all your essentials. Speaking of essentials, what should you pack? Water, first and foremost. Staying hydrated is vital. Also, pack some high-energy snacks like nuts, dried fruits, or energy bars. A map and compass are indispensable, even if you plan to use a GPS. Other essentials include a first aid kit, a flashlight, a multi-tool, and a whistle for emergencies. Clothing is another important aspect to consider. Dress in layers so you can adjust to changes in temperature. Avoid cotton as it absorbs moisture and can make you cold. Opt for moisture-wicking materials instead. Don't forget a hat and sunglasses for sun protection and a waterproof jacket in case of rain. Lastly, ensure you're physically prepared. Start with shorter, easier hikes and gradually work your way up to more challenging ones. Regular exercise that builds your stamina, strength, and flexibility can also help. To summarize, successful hiking preparation involves careful planning, choosing the right gear and clothing, packing essential items, and ensuring physical readiness. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Hiking is a journey, not a race. So take your time, enjoy the scenery, and respect nature. So go on, embrace the challenge, and discover the joy of hiking. It's a journey of exploration, not just of the great outdoors, but also of oneself. Happy trails to you!